Hi, I'm Don, and this is The Hobbyist Geek. And today we are continuing our R2 build. We have issue 61 right here, and we have our parts. It looks like more dome panels and another shoulder fitting. So let's get this open and see what we got. And here are the parts that we get with this issue. We've got 2 more dome panels, a couple pieces of double-sided tape, another shoulder fitting, some more plastic plugs, and some more screws. And for this issue, of course, we're not going to need the shoulder fitting or the screws, so we'll put those to the side. Now these dome panel pieces will fit much like the previous panel pieces. And we will be continuing our journey to the left with these 2 spaces right here. Now the only real difference is that the double-sided tape is going to work for both holes. Okay, so we're not getting a separate piece for this smaller one. We're just going to get a longer piece of double-sided tape that's going to go across both holes. So double-sided tape on the top and the bottom. Make sure when you fit them that the writing that is stamped on the back of each one of these is facing upwards. And let's just get it done. All right, and there are our new pieces installed and looking pretty. For the next part of this issue, we're just going to be taking the plastic plugs and we're going to pull them off the sprue, and if you'll notice, there's a little bit of a flat end. Excuse me, there's a little bit of a flat end here. That's going to go towards the flat surface here or here. And we'll just push that puppy in, and we'll do the same for the other one. And that's it. Issue 61 is complete. And that is issue 61, everyone. We are running out of space to put dome panels on the bottom of this thing, so we've got to be nearing completion on the dome here. And the leg looks like it's fully covered up now, except, man, I'm just gonna hit myself in the face with these things. Except for these 4 holes here, which I'm sure we'll be getting plugs for soon. If you liked the video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Have a great day.